islands I be.
Hello and welcome to Get Rich Quick's How to Make a Thumbnail for Free Using GIMP. Okay, so first off, we're going to need to know the size, and by Google's own recommendation, your image should be 1280 by 720 pixels with a minimum of 640 pixels. A ratio of 16:9 is ideal as it's used most often in YouTube players and previews. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to GIMP. Now if you've opened GIMP in Windows, you've noticed how slow it opens. Now watch the difference in opening GIMP in a pure Ubuntu environment. Boom! It's up and running. I don't even think Photoshop opens that fast in Windows. And now we're going to click New. We're going to make it 1280 by 720. And we're going to click Advanced Options, and we are going to click on Foreground Color because we want it to be solid black. Alright, now first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a new layer, and I'm just going to create a box here and make it as much in the center as I can. Let's say, you know what, I'm gonna shoot from the hip and say there. Now I'm gonna fill this in with yellow. Now we're gonna duplicate the layer. Wait, cancel. Right click, we're gonna duplicate the layer. We're gonna click over here on the little move tool, and we're gonna make sure that layer is highlighted, and we're just gonna move a little square all the way over until we get a little black space in between, and then we are going to move it back. There. Now, it looks like one giant thing, so what we are going to do is click on a red and fill. We're going to click on red. Select edit none, select none, and we're gonna click fill. There we go. Okay, so we have a black top, we have a yellow side, we have a red side. Now what we're going to do is, because I just want to start out easy, we're going to go ahead and let's see. This is the hex number I use for my logos. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer. I don't have to, but I'm going to create one anyway. And I'm going to use it to make the font that I like to use. That is the one thing that I wish GIMP had, is I wish it had a most frequent used font like Photoshop does. Save a little bit of time. Andre bold. Okay, now then, using GIMP, and we are going to make that a lot bigger. Using GIMP, and in you. Okay, yeah, okay, you can stop that now. Sorry, my keyboard is being a pain and just decided to go off the rails and start typing U's all at random. I need to get a new one. The keys apparently stick. Using GIMP in Ubuntu. Now, you can do one of two things. You can leave it like this. You can move the squares here. You can move it and find the exact measurements and get it centered that way. But I am being lazy, so I'm just going to highlight everything and click the little center button. I know that's not really the best way to do it at all, and I apologize to any digital editors out there who take offense to that method. Another thing I'm going to do is go here in this one and just create let's see here, go down, pull 75 to create Okay, that did not work. I am doing something clearly wrong. Let's try that again. Oh, I know what it is. Color. There. Okay. To create. And now, rather than use black on red, because that's not exactly the best choice to do. Is it black on red or is it red on black? Leave a comment below if it's black on red or red on black. That is not the best option for colors. I know yellow on black isn't the best either, but I was inspired by a video that I'll leave a link to in the description on this style of thumbnail. To create free YouTube thumbnails. All right. And there you have it. Using GIMP in Ubuntu to create free YouTube thumbnails. That is how I made the thumbnail for the video that you're watching now. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If you want me to make you a thumbnail, definitely get in contact with me. I'll let you know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.